Welcome to our J-Wings infotainment, where we're diving deep into the world of Angular, the powerhouse framework for building dynamic web applications. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, this video has everything you need to master Angular development. Let's kick things off by understanding what Angular is all about. Angular is a comprehensive framework that offers a structured approach to building web applications. Unlike its predecessor, AngularJS, which is based on JavaScript, Angular 2 and above is a complete rewrite and is built with TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript. This makes Angular more scalable, efficient, and easier to maintain. Now let's delve into the architecture of an Angular application. At the core of Angular's architecture are components, which are the building blocks of Angular applications. Components encapsulate the application's logic and UI into reusable and modular units. Additionally, Angular applications are organized into modules, which are cohesive blocks of code that group related components, directives, pipes, and services together. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's start by setting up our development environment. We'll need Node.js and npm installed on our machine. Once that's done, we can use Angular CLI, the command line interface for Angular, to generate a new Angular project with just a few simple commands. With our project set up, let's take a quick tour of the project structure generated by Angular CLI. We'll see familiar directories like src for our source code, node modules for our project dependencies, and angular.json for project configuration. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and start building some components. Components are the heart of any Angular application, and they represent different parts of the UI. We'll use Angular CLI to generate our first component and explore its structure. Once our components are in place, we'll dive into templates and data binding. Templates in Angular are HTML files that define the UI of our application. We'll see how data binding allows us to bind data from our components class to the template, enabling dynamic content rendering. Next up, let's talk about services and dependency injection. Services are a way to share code and data across different parts of our application. We'll create a service using Angular CLI and see how we can inject it into our components. We'll also explore Angular's built-in HTTP client module, which allows us to make HTTP requests to a server. We'll see how easy it is to fetch data from a backend API and display it in our application. Now, let's talk about routing and navigation. Angular Router is a powerful tool that allows us to navigate between different views of our application without reloading the entire page. We'll configure routes for our components and implement navigation within our application. We'll also explore navigation guards, which allow us to protect certain routes based on conditions like authentication or user permissions. Forms are a fundamental part of web applications, and Angular provides two approaches for handling them: template-driven forms and reactive forms. We'll explore both approaches and see how to perform form validation and handle form submissions. With reactive programming, we can build more responsive and scalable applications by reacting to changes in data over time. Angular leverages reactive programming principles through features like observables and reactive forms. Finally, let's take a look at NGRX, a state management library for Angular applications. NGRX helps us manage the state of our application in a more predictable and scalable way by using concepts like actions, reducers, and effects. With NGRX, we can centralize our application state, make our code more testable, and handle complex asynchronous operations with ease. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering Angular development. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks on Angular and other web development technologies. Happy coding!